Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2020 Keystone Montana Model 3760. It's a 5-slide front living. Yep, that looks like a painted cap, but it's actually a window on the front. And what a great RV this is. It's very unique. We'll look at the inside of the floor plan here in just a minute. On the outside, of course, we have the front window, LED lights built right into this fiberglass cap that protects your investment, but also the radius allows you to turn sharper with the Montana than you can just about anything else out there. Plus you have the road armor hitch plus the suspension, so towing this, you're not going to get the jerking and bumping so often associated with fifth-wheel travel trailers. Slide outs, see how they finish the bottoms off real nice. They seal everywhere. You've got slam latch compartment doors. Inside here, aluminum frame construction. Plumbing's all in the heated basement. Level up suspension, 6 jacks, touch of a button, this thing levels itself. You can virtually walk away as it finishes the cycle. LED light rope behind the awnings, frameless windows, automotive style glass. Tons of storage on this one. You're going to see all these doors. I got it open here in the back, access to the entire basement from all sides and the back. 5 slide outs, again, 3 on this side, 2 on the other side. Outside shower, 2-inch thick sidewalls. That's thicker than the competitors. Number 1, insulation. 2, you don't see the delamination on the Montanas like you do a lot of the others. Let's take a look at the inside. We go up our step above stairs, which are super solid. There's the model number, 3760 FL. And a couple things. Motion sensing lights, those are nice by stairs. Vacuum sweep kick, so if you have a little pile of dirt you've accumulated here from people walking in, you can kick this up. You got a vacuum, sucks all that dirt out of here. Control panel right when we walk in. Check it out. Look at all the different types of lights. Fantastic fan, built-in speakers, mood lights, accent lights, center island, 4-door fridge, up front living area. I'm going to start at the front here, a couple steps up, and here we are. We've got the mood lights built right in, several different types of light in here too. You can see roll-up blinds rather than the old Venetians that rattle all over the place. 1, 2 sofas and theater seating. These are electric seats with the control buttons right here. Cup holders built in, electric fireplace, sound systems right here behind this glass partition. And then you've got a Jensen TV that actually pops up and hides. That window, it's still there. We just have the TV in the up position right now. Lots of cabinets, storage. You got the hidden hinges, do a real nice job on that. And you got a commanding view on the rest of the coach here. We'll take a couple steps down. Kitchen area. Have this nice little, like a baker's bench built in here with plug-ins, more lights, more storage, lots of room in the fridge. Boom. Lots of counter space here. We got dual basin, stainless steel sinks, our garbage pail, more storage below, drawers, more accent lights, 3-burner stove, big giant microwave, and more pantry storage. Taller ceilings in here, of course. You got several different types of light fixtures. We got our freestanding dinette that actually folds away. You can fold it up and have this bonus room if you like to sew or have another hobby. Maybe you can use that area for your hobby. More pantry. Speaking of pantry, voila. Nope, it's a bath. Bath and a half. We got a toilet, and I bet we have a light. Boom, there we do. Storage, power exhaust vent up above. And the bedroom, a couple steps, and we're here. Voila. King size bed, big closet, prepped for washer dryer already. Headboard also has windows built in with the roller blinds. A couple different types of light there. Another Jensen TV built in up here. Built-in dresser. Even your mattress from the factories, a nice pillow top. You don't get a cheap Chinese mattress. More storage. Look at this bathroom. How big can you get? This is like a house. His and her sinks. We've got foot flush porcelain toilet, linen storage galore, dual medicine cabinets, another power exhaust vent, skylight in the shower. Live in this baby in style in this 2020 3760 Montana front living room right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.